Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to control iPhone camera with your AirPods on iOS 26. At first we need to open settings and then we have to open our AirPods settings menu. Here now we have to scroll all the way down. Here, as you can see, we have AirPods beta updates. You have to tap that. And here we have AirPods beta updates. It has to be enabled now. Now wait for the update, and after the update you will see the option which is somewhere here, which is called camera control, camera remote. You have to tap that, and here you have press once or press and hold. You have it up, for example, press and hold, and now we can exit our application. Now we have to take both AirPods into our case. As you can see, now we are connected. And now we have to open the camera app. Now we just have to tap and hold our touch sensor on our AirPod. Wait a moment, my headphones are bugging right now, so and as I can see, the photo is taken. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.